Honda has done it again. The Civic Type R has been the king of hot hatches for years, and now, in 2026, it's back lighter, faster, and meaner than ever. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the exterior, interior, and, of course, that beastly power plant under the hood. So buckle up, because the 2026 Civic Type R is ready to dominate. At first glance, you can tell this is no ordinary Civic. The 2026 Type R receives an aerodynamic refresh, with a more sculpted front bumper, an even larger front grille for better cooling, and a sleek new hood vent to channel airflow efficiently. The redesigned LED headlights add a sharper, more futuristic touch, making sure you turn heads day or night. And check this out, brand new lightweight 19-inch forged wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, giving you maximum grip for those track days. The wheel arches are now slightly flared, emphasizing the car's wider stance, and Honda even revised the rear diffuser for better aerodynamics. But the real star of the show? That massive, track-tested rear wing that screams performance. Step inside, and it's all about that race-inspired experience. The iconic red bucket seats are back, offering the perfect balance of comfort and support. Honda has also upgraded the steering wheel with a flat-bottom design and Alcantara wrap for maximum grip. And just look at this, an all-new, fully digital 12.5-inch instrument cluster with a dedicated Type R performance mode. Technology meets performance with the updated 11-inch touchscreen, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and real-time performance telemetry. And yes, Honda Listen, the titanium shift knob is back, giving you that satisfying mechanical feel with every gear change. Now, let's talk power, because this is where the 2026 Civic Type R really shines. Under the hood, Honda has refined its legendary 2.0L turbocharged VTC engine, now pushing 345 horsepower and 330 lb-ft of torque. That's a 25 horsepower bump from the last generation, making this the most powerful Civic Type R ever. And for the purists out there, yes, it's still a 6-speed manual. The short throw shifter has been fine-tuned for even more precision, and the revised limited slip differential ensures you're putting every bit of power to the pavement. Combine that with a reworked adaptive suspension and a stiffer chassis, and you've got a car that's built to dominate both the streets and the track. The 2026 Honda Civic Type R is everything we love about the Type R: legacy, track-ready performance, aggressive styling, and an unmatched driving experience. But what do you think? Is this the best Type R yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more epic car content, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, keep chasing that red line.